Do a squishy haul with me. So of course, right here I got my 6 dumplings. This is a glow in dark one. I got this one for my birthday. Then we have my minis, my glitter. This is also a glitter. We have my Tabba Squishy knitted dog. We have my ice cube, and we have my butter. Yes, it's a real butter. Has salted butter on it. Anyways, and then we have my hippopotamus, my glitter axolotl, then my blue and green axolotl. I actually have a pink and a white one. I honestly don't know where they went. And then I have a jalapeno. And if you watch Mila Plays YT and for YouTube, yes, I traded her for a bear squishy for this. Yeah, but that's my squishy haul. See you on the next video.